Eric Langley, in my opinion, is one of the best characters that didn't actually move. Now I'm saying this because, of course, he appeared in Cars 2 and on the Meldorado show, and they were showing pictures on the screen of all in all being created, and you want to know who was making it in the picture? This guy right here, Lee Race. Well, though, actually, that's probably not how you pronounce it, because the E has a little accent, so Lee Race, that's how you pronounce it? I don't know. But yeah, I'll just call him Lee Race, for the time being. But he is quite a cool character in my opinion. He is based on a Phase 1 Peugeot 207, which was made from 2006 to 2008, I'm pretty sure. Please correct me if I'm wrong, down in the comments below. And he's a 3-door. And proportions aren't perfect, but life isn't perfect. What can you do? But and he has a little a conical flask is what it's called, conical flask. Still, let's have a talking about conical flasks. Let's have a look at that. So it's a green substance which I don't know the name of. Well, probably, urinal itself. Maybe. Well, actually, we never get to see urinal in person. Or, in car, I should say. Well, would it be in person? Or would it be in the car? Because, of course, they're cars, and I don't think they get to see the fuel either, so technically it could be both. Huh. That's something to think about then, isn't it? Now if here we go, look, he's got his safety goggles on, and he looks very what's the word? He looks very focused, very mindful, very demure. I don't know. I don't think that's a rude word. No, it's not, is it? Still you can see his, well, you can't really see his ears, can you? Where is his ears? No, can't even have ears. How is his goggles staying on? Well, maybe because they're resting on his bonnet. Okay, but what? Surely they'd be back heavy, so they'd sort of tilt towards the back. Just a thought. Carrying on, going on to the back. Ooh, it looks, well, kinda looks like a Peugeot 207. Yes, all the individual, decals, which an actual Peugeot 207 would have. Much like, was it Mark Wilson, who's a Ford Mondeo? He has all the Mondeo decals at the back. And he's got a proper UK license plate, which, in the case of Lee here, reads AB52TOP. Wonder if that has any significance. Do you think it has any significance? Please tell me in the comments below. Well, either way, have a great day, folks.